दोस्तों आज रहने जा रहे हैं लाहौर, तो आइए पूछते हैं उनसे कि यहाँ का उनका क्या एक्सपीरियंस था, स्पेशली सिंध का, और बाकी उनसे सारा कुछ पूछते हैं। सो रेने, हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस हियर इन द सिंध? वुड यू लाइक टू शेयर समथिंग विद अस?
Yeah, for me, I had actually amazing experience. It was very interesting and exciting because it was very different from from the countries that I've seen before. Very spicy, vivid, crazy place here with some natural, like very calm, peaceful areas. With like Karachi, very crazy big city. Yes.
Okay. You mean as compared to Karachi, our rural areas are very peaceful and calm environment?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. How was the food especially?
For me, like, I love the food. Like, in the beginning, my stomach had to adjust a little bit, but from the taste-wise, everything was, like, every dish I had was very delicious.
Thank you so much. Bro, one question is very important for me especially, and most of others like me who want to travel around the world, and as you have visited 25 roundabout countries, so how you will suggest us to start a travel, and if suggest others who want to travel the world?
Yeah, wow. It's kind of a very individual question, but like I feel like more if I were you, I want to start traveling, I would ask myself like, okay, why do I want to travel? What do I want to do? And yeah, get in this thinking, okay, what do I want to do, more camping, or do I want to go to hostels? So you will get in the ideas, what do I need maybe for the travels? And yeah, like the best is also starting slow and in small steps. For me, this is also in life true, but like when you go like step by step, little by little, you can see what is good for you. How do you feel safe enough and happy? What do you need on your travels to be good? Yeah, because when you do maybe a huge step, it can be very challenging, and it can be very good, but it can also be over challenging. So
You mean we have to take a little bit of steps first in traveling, like we have to visit the near places of our country?
I think that's a good possibility, like to start like with the bordering countries, like in Pakistan, Iran or so. There you can kind of easily go as far as I know. And if you want to go on, maybe you can go on. Maybe you can find like a visa for Armenia or for Turkey or so afterwards, if you're really curious and happy and everything. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Then how will be manage the expenses as you are managing your daily routine expenses in the travel? So it is very challengeable for us, and you have visited 12 countries in low budget in this travel. So tell us about this experience, please.
Yes, so like I had like from the years of working before, I had some budget, and then I was like especially in Europe where it was more expensive, I was doing lots of volunteering. Like you work a few hours and you get food and accommodation, and often a very interesting experience as well. I went hitchhiking, so you just stay in the streets and put your thumb up and ask people to take you if they go in the right direction. You can do camping, stuff like this. There's all ways to save money, and yeah. And eventually you will come to another country where it's also a bit cheap for you. Then you can maybe take also hostel or so. But,
That's great. It means Rene is saying that I would like to say in Urdu. Rene कह रहे हैं कि जो यूरोप के कंट्रीज़ थे वहाँ पे मैं वॉलंटियर काम करता था. वॉलंटियर मतलब कि जहाँ पे मुझे काम करने के बजाय कुछ खाना और कुछ रिहाइश मिल जाए. और उसके बाद यूरोप के कंट्रीज़ कुछ एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं, वहाँ पे लो बजट में थोड़ा मैनेज करना पड़ता है. और उसके अलावा जिस तरह एशियन कंट्रीज़ है वहाँ पे जो है फिर इतने सस्ती चीज़ें मिल जाती हैं, तो वहाँ पे सर्वाइव करना इजीली होता है. तो सो थैंक यू सो मच रेने फॉर योर
just like as little like also here in these countries, it's also possible to do volunteering, and if you just want to have like a experience out of the box, like you can also just maybe go to north of Pakistan and maybe there is a school where you can just do some volunteering or something like this, or yeah, there's also other possibilities like this in the local countries.
Wow. So that is an amazing point also. So thank you so much, bro. Would you like to say something anymore? Any message for us, especially for Sindhis?
No, maybe like I said last time, like follow your heart and follow your dreams. Yes.
Wow. So have you enjoyed the culture of Sindh
Yes.
and
So,
tradition?
yes, so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. So take care, Rene.